welcome back to the vlog. If you follow me on social media, then you'll know that we have been working like crazy preparing for our free challenge that we're hosting next week. If you haven't heard about it, it's called Design Your Client Winning Website, and we're going to help you design an incredibly beautiful and strategic website all in just 5 days. So definitely click the link in the description. We would love to have you come and join us for that. So in today's vlog, I thought that I would share with you how we've been getting the word out about the free challenge. It doesn't matter, whether you're doing a webinar, a challenge, whatever type of marketing event you're doing, of course you have to get the word out to as many people as you can. We are currently sitting at 400 people signed up, which is super exciting, but we have set the goal quite a bit higher. So fingers crossed for that. We're just gonna keep showing up and keep doing the things that I'm gonna tell you about. We're gonna keep doing those every single day, and I think we will get there. So the first thing on the list is to email your list. If you haven't been building up your email list, this is one of the #1 things that I recommend you do. Let me drop this. Coolest pen ever, by the way. So yeah, if building an email list isn't something that you have started yet, I would 100% do that. That's just going to make your life so much easier when it comes to marketing. So, there's going to be a lot of different promos and launches that you want to do in your business. You have to have that audience of people who already know you that you can tell about it. That's kind of priority 1 when it comes to having an online business, is growing your email list. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to email that list of people multiple times. And you don't just want to email them once, you want to email them multiple times. I know it's tricky, like when I first started getting into online marketing, I only wanted to email people like once and then set it and forget it. But that's not the case. I mean, think about how many emails you get, and maybe it's going into the promotions tab. Maybe you didn't see the first one. There's just a whole lot of factors. So you need to send out multiple emails to your list and build up that excitement. And maybe, people won't sign up on the first time they see it, but they will on the third. So we've got to share it out there. The next one, of course, is social media. So you're going to want to share this all over social media. So that means creating dedicated Instagram posts for it, doing Instagram stories, and with your stories, I like to do it like the week leading up to the event. You can even do it 2 weeks leading up to the event. So on Instagram stories, I've been just dropping it wherever I could, and even, just a mention of it is going to help people get more familiar with the idea. And that whole sales thing where people need to see something at least 7 times in order to purchase, kind of a similar thing with this. Even though it's a free promo, you still need to show it to people quite a few times. Another tip for you is to go live. So I will be going live leading up to the challenge as much as I can, and this is because platforms prioritize the fact that you go live. So, if you're on Instagram, you'll see that the people that are going live, it's showing you on your home screen. So basically they love if you go live, and they're going to bump you up and show you to more of your audience. So it's a really good way to get in front of them. So definitely go live as much as you can for your promotion. Another thing you can do is get your friends to promote it. I think, the more that we band together as entrepreneurs and we help each other, the better. So I've reached out to a few of my friends, and I will absolutely, promote their events when they're hosting them as well. So I have friends that are sharing it for me on social media and emailing out to their list as well, which opens up the audience to a few more thousand people as well. So that's super exciting, and if you want, you can incentivize this as well. So we have set up an affiliate program, so there's also, some extra bonus for them to participate in this. The next thing that we've done is run ads. Now, I have a love-hate relationship with ads. I know some people have had so much success with them, and I honestly wish I could tell you the same. I've had mediocre success. Sometimes we feel like we've had a breakthrough and then it doesn't work. So that being said, I still love that you can invest and you can get in front of people. So that's super important. It really helps grow your numbers if you can run some ads as well. It helps all of your organic efforts. So we are doing that as well. And my final tip for you is to get on Pinterest. So we created a bunch of great graphics for that platform as well, so that we could drive even more people to the challenge. Okay, no, this is the last thing, and maybe the most important, is to optimize your website. So on my website, I went ahead and I changed the button in my navigation to link to the challenge. I also created a full page pop-up, which lets people know about the challenge and allows them to sign up right from there. So that's really great because that means any website visitor that comes to my site over the next week is going to also get invited to the challenge. So you absolutely want to make use of that as well. All right, guys, so those are the ways that we are getting the word out about our challenge. Hopefully this has given you a bunch of ideas for how you can promote your next event in your business. I am super pumped about this challenge, so if you haven't yet, make sure that you click the link in the description below to grab your spot. It's going to be 5 days of free lessons and action steps. It's going to be super valuable, and you're going to make a ton of progress on your website and design something beautiful. So definitely sign up for that. If you are not following me yet on Instagram, come over there as well. I'm at Solopreneur Sidekick. And in my next vlog, I will let you know how the challenge went.